Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products on the market. Today, we're showcasing the best dinosaur binder that's perfect for kids, students, and anyone who loves a bit of fun mixed with functionality. This 1.5-inch round ring binder is not just your average office supply. It's a colorful, vibrant addition to your workspace or school supplies. This 3-ring binder comes with an exciting dinosaur design that's sure to make any user smile. Whether you're a student needing something to store your homework, a professional organizing important documents, or just someone who appreciates a touch of creativity in everyday items, this binder has you covered. The bold dinosaur pattern will grab attention and spark conversation, while the sturdy build ensures your papers stay in place. One of the standout features of this binder is its 200-sheet capacity. That's a lot of room for notes, reports, or schoolwork. The 1.5-inch round rings are easy to open, so you can quickly add or remove sheets without a struggle. This makes it ideal for both home and office use, and you'll appreciate how well it keeps everything neatly organized. Whether you're a student carrying it to class or an office worker keeping it on your desk, the binder ensures your important documents are well secured. The durability of this binder is another highlight. It's made to withstand daily use, from being tossed into backpacks to sitting on desks for extended periods. The cover is designed to resist wear and tear, and it won't lose its bright, fun dinosaur design anytime soon. It's a perfect blend of style and practicality. The binder's size makes it ideal for carrying around in a backpack without being too bulky, and it's also compact enough to fit nicely on a shelf or in a drawer. If you're someone who loves organization and appreciates a little flair, this is the binder you've been looking for. It's not just about the looks, though. The 200-sheet capacity ensures you can store a lot of documents without worrying about overstuffing it. As you get organized for school or work, having a binder that stands out and reflects your personality is a great way to keep your materials in order. The dinosaur binder combines utility with creativity, making it an exciting and functional choice for everyone. So, if you're ready to add a bit of fun to your office or study routine, the Dinosaur 1.5-inch round ring binder might just be the perfect fit for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews on products like this.